So, this is Zombie Motorcycle Race. I'm gonna probably upload twice a day, if not once. I'll probably won't ever upload 3 times unless I'm gonna be gone for quite a bit. So that's how that's gonna work. This is also by. Hold on, guys. This is also by Tiny Lab Productions. So. Oh, fuck that shit. What the? This is, very, fucked up. What am I supposed to do here? Like, is my objective to get to the end? I've never quite played a game like this before, so, oh, fuck. Look at that mad skill. Ooh, he just got fucking finessed. Look at that shit. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, what is happening? Safe area? 90s. I don't know if that's good or not. The fuck just happened? Why was I upside down? What? This fucking shit, though. I just. What the actual tits? I don't know if I want to do this piece of shit game any longer. I have to itch my head on this. This is fucking Nitro? Let's do it. I'm scared. Oh, this is kind of cool. Fucking wheelie that shit. Oh, ooh, 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 finesse, ooh, ooh. Oh shit. Oh, fuck your bitch. This is just the same damn one as the other one. The tits. Oh, but it's a lot easier now that I have a fucking motorcycle. An actual one. Okay. Fucking wheeler. This seems a little different. I might take that back. Oh. Oh. I'm gonna do one more of these and then I'm going to quit on this one and I'm gonna. Oh. That was a fucking terrible ass face. How do I erase it? No, but I mean, if I make one wrong fucking move on this, I fucking fuck up the whole video, so fuck me. But I'm doing it for you guys, so oh, if you guys get the chance, I want you to go check out a channel named Beastie. Me and my fiance, yes, I'm taken. Me and my fiance fucking love that guy. It's our couple thing, like, you know, it's our favorite channel, I'd say. And he just does some great quality content. It's fucking makes my day when I'm down. I fucking watch that and it cheers me up. Other than talking to her, but yeah, go check that out if you get the chance. What the fuck? Who makes dynamite that big? And what are you doing? Fucking go up the wall. This is literally impossible, but okay. Ooh. Ooh. How am I not dead? Or how's my bike not destroyed? It's so fucking realistic. What the fuck did I just see? I don't want... Stop turning me upside down. Holy shit. I don't want to play anymore. Fuck that shit. So, I guess I will see you next time, which is tomorrow. I'll upload another 2. Thanks, guys.